So we have a NOKIA X30, and today I will show you how you can arrange your home screen on this device by adding widgets, making a folders, changing color and other like that things. So we will start from the widgets. To add the widget, just hold your finger on the home screen and choose widgets. Now look for your desired widget, and to add it, just hold your finger on it and drop in the desired place. If you want to resize it, just hold your finger again, and how you can see there is a little edges. Now you can change the size of it. If you don't see the widgets, like here, it means you cannot change the size of the desired widget. Okay, if you want to make a folder, just hold the app and drop on another app. If you want to change the name of it, tap on the folder and click Edit Name. That's it. Okay, so if you want to change the system color, you can hold your finger again on the home screen and choose the wallpaper style. Now here you can change the system color and the wallpaper colors. Also you can change the dark theme. You can enable a dark theme here. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe and goodbye.